Tired of tangled cords and heavy vacuums? In today's video, we're showcasing the top cordless vacuum cleaners you must have for a hassle-free cleaning experience. From powerful suction to lightweight designs, these vacuums are perfect for tackling messes in every corner of your home. Whether you need a quick cleanup or a deep scrub, we've got the best options for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Xiaomi 95,000 pascals electric handheld vacuum cleaner. A powerful and cordless solution for all your cleaning needs. It's lightweight, portable, and designed for versatility, making it ideal for both home and car use. This vacuum offers up to 95,000 pascal suction power with a cyclone filter, ensuring deep cleaning every time. Whether it's dust, debris, or liquids, it gets the job done effortlessly. The 1 to 2 liter dust box adds convenience by reducing frequent emptying. Equipped with multiple nozzles, including a wiping and absorbing ground brush, it handles various surfaces with ease. The turbo brush is perfect for carpets, while the lightweight build ensures smooth handling. Powered by a Li-ion battery, it delivers up to 1 hour of use. Charging is simple with a 5-volt USB cable, fully recharging in just 3 to 4 hours. From vacuuming and mopping to blowing dust, the Xiaomi handheld vacuum is packed with features. It's your go-to cleaner for every task, big or small. Number 4. Yisora N300 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Yisora N300 Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. With a 20 kilopascal suction power, it handles carpets, hard floors, pet hair, and more with ease. Weighing under 3 kilograms, the Yisora N300 is ultra-lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its 6-in-1 versatility ensures every corner is spotless, whether it's floors, upholstery, or tight spaces. The corner folding brush makes tricky spots a breeze. Powered by a 2,200 mAh Li-ion battery, it runs for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. The LED headlight brush helps you spot hidden dirt, while the 65 dB ultra-quiet motor ensures a peaceful cleaning experience. The Yisora N300 features a 5-stage HEPA filtration system that captures fine dust and allergens, leaving the air fresh and clean. Its bagless design and 0.6 to 1 liter dust box make maintenance simple. With its power, versatility, and quiet operation, the Yisora N300 redefines efficient cleaning. Lightweight, cordless, and effective. It's all you need for a spotless home. Number 3. Ideach Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. The Ideach Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, designed to make cleaning effortless. With a 15 kilopascals powerful suction, it easily tackles even the toughest dirt on both carpets and hard floors. Equipped with a 2,600 mAh detachable battery, this vacuum provides up to 1 hour of continuous cleaning. The battery is replaceable, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its 5-stage HEPA filtration system captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, promoting cleaner air and a healthier home environment. The built-in LED light makes cleaning under furniture and in dark corners a breeze, ensuring no dirt is left behind. Compact, powerful, and efficient, the Ideach Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect solution for your home cleaning needs. Number 2. BuTure Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The BuTure 38 kilopascals cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, the perfect solution for all your cleaning needs. With a powerful 450-watt motor and an impressive 38 kilopascal suction, this vacuum picks up everything from surface debris to deeply embedded dirt, outpacing 90% of other vacuums on the market. The BuTure vacuum features a color touchscreen, allowing you to easily switch between 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Standard, and Boost. It also displays real-time data on battery levels, suction, and any blockages, offering a smarter cleaning experience. Thanks to its 2,200 mAh removable battery, the vacuum runs up to 55 minutes on low power, giving you ample time to clean your entire home. The tube-in-1 tangle-free roller is perfect for both carpets and hard floors, especially for pet owners. With a HEPA filter and a 1.5 L dust cup, the BuTure vacuum ensures cleaner air and efficient cleaning. Number 1. Ultenic AC1 Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Ultenic AC1 Elite Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning solution, combining vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning in one efficient device. It offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, ensuring thorough cleaning for large areas without frequent recharges. The intelligent voice prompts provide clear notifications, keeping you informed throughout the cleaning process. Equipped with a 1-button self-cleaning feature, maintaining this vacuum is effortless. The dual water tank separation ensures that clean and dirty water are kept separate, providing an effective and hygienic cleaning experience. Additionally, the vacuum is designed for various surfaces, making it perfect for both carpets and hard floors. With 3 cleaning modes, Intelligent, Max, and Vac, the AC1 Elite adapts to different tasks. The self-propelled function reduces effort while cleaning, making it a convenient tool for homes of all sizes.